Hey guys, so Connie here, and today I am gonna make a lip scrub. It's really funny how this came about. I was just really bored on a Saturday. I have to study for my freaking exam, but you know, I'll do that a little bit later. It's okay. Yeah, so I was actually just making dinner, and my boyfriend just told me that he'd be coming home late. So I decided to look around the pantry and see what we had, and we had a whole bunch of food that we don't use, like brown sugar, some beans, which are not going to be in the lip scrub, of course, and we have a lot of honey and some things like that. So I looked online and I was like, okay, what are some easy DIY face, like skin type of things that I could be using, because I have to save so much money to get this new apartment. Anyways, so this is why I will have to live frugally, and at least until I get my apartment, and save up to get some cool things that I'm saving up for. By the way, before I forget, I am trying out this new thing. I'm trying out Twitch, and my boyfriend really got me into it. He has like a whole bunch of monitors in the back and everything. I decided to get a PC and kind of record me playing, because I don't know, like this is just kind of like a beauty channel of mine, but I decided to kind of branch out and show you guys my like tomboy side. A lot of guy friends that play like LOL, which is League. I grew up playing Maple Story, RuneScape, even like Club Penguin when I was in middle school. And yeah, I just thought it'd be really fun to try this out and see how you guys like it. I'll link my Twitch page on the description below. YouTubers are doing it, why not? So anyways, back to this lip scrub. Okay, so here's the consistency. Please ignore my unruly nails. I need to do them. That's the consistency of this lip scrub, okay? I'm gonna be trying it on after I explain to you guys how I made this. Trigger, like honey. It with me, but I did put a couple drops, like 4 to 5 drops of lavender. I'm a little bit closer than usual just so I can show you guys. So I'm just gonna dip my hand in here, get a little bit here, maybe a little bit more, and just start scrubbing away. I have a little bit of lip gloss on, but hopefully it'll get off. Okay guys, I'm back. Here is the results. Thoughts and opinion. The leftovers, I guess I made a lot. This is probably, maybe you'll probably get 10 uses out of it, I think. And I'm surprised how fresh my lips, like saving it and putting it in the fridge and using it whenever I want to or need to. So I think this is actually a success. I'm gonna try out other DIYs. I've been looking at the toners for your face. I think it was like a eucalyptic toner, but I'm thinking about trying to look for a dupe at the tea tree toner from Lush, because it was really good. It's just Lush is so expensive, and especially if you're trying to go on a budget, I just think it's a little bit expensive. So yeah, definitely check that out, and I will definitely put a post and let you guys know how that goes. And yeah, let me know if there's any other videos, comment, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.